which is another day in Poland, right? It's beautiful day. We were busy today preparing everything because Damian, I think that's gonna have a new project again, going somewhere. So that's why I'm a bit late. Now it's about 6 p.m. and I think that it is rush hours. So yeah, I'll show you around the area next to the Stary Browar. Like behind me, so many skyscrapers. So basically, this area is also another central business district in Poland. So yeah, let's stroll around. We arrive in the Połęska, and that's behind there. As you see, there is a clock tower over there, and here Połęska. I took a tram number 18 and we arrived here. So I think that I never show you this area and the park. In front of me is the Kino cinema. But look at these beautiful flowers. I think that this nowadays is the rose season. It's beautiful. And here is the park. Like I told you, wherever you go, it's just like green park everywhere. Nice. I really like walking in the park. Very nice. So many flowers blooming. You know, green things. One thing is that, summer, spring is just like 6 months or 7 months, and then autumn, and then winter. So yeah, I know that somebody already remind me that you move out from Bali, where in Bali you see that sunshine like every single day in 1 year. I mean like warm weather, like tropical weather, but in Poland you will experience different thing, of course. So yes, now I really like to, as I'm living in Poland, I really like to walk in the green park, because everywhere you go, like 15 minutes, 10 minutes already green park, beautiful like this. So nice. Look at this beautiful purple flower in the middle. Nice. And sound of the birds. Look at this beautiful rose garden. It's very beautiful, isn't it? So I was there in the park next door. That's the tram, that's the traffic situation basically. So let's go there. So that's in front of me a Novotel Hotel, Ibis Hotel, and another skyscrapers, Santander building. And here is the gym. As you see, quite many people, and next to the gym is the children playground. So so many families are here. Very nice, enjoyable. So look at this. Everywhere you go, green park, playground. It's very nice. Child. It's very family friendly place, and the dog. I also see that over there, that building inside is another gym, fitness. And look at this one. And this one outdoor gym, playground, and that's indoor. Many people are staying active here. And that's the park. Let's go over there. I think that I need to buy something. So let's see. I really like to capturing the rose garden. So pretty. Oh, nice. Very nice. So we were there on that park, and we were there on that park as well. And I'm taking you to this kind of building. And this one, Cyril Ratajski, president of Poznania. And in front of me is the Stary Browar Mall. And then there, if you go straight over there, it's going to go to the Stary Rynek. Let's go. This building basically the Stary Browar, like a shopping mall, and it used to be a brewery a long time ago. and it's very long. And in front of me, I think this one is the kind of the old tram. And on the right side, on the left side, there are so many shop. And I think because today is Monday, obviously it's not as busy as what I expected. So yeah, let's keep walking. Then look at this one. Just look at this one. You see, even there is a bridge that connecting two building. It is a very big shopping mall. Let's go. So look at this apartment building. I think that I will go there in the shop. I need to buy something, and really this street is not really busy. Look at this. I think that I should buy one for Damian later on. Very cute. And so many nice cute keyring and surround so many nice stuff here. I think that I need to buy a tiger balm. So nice. This one from Pakistan. Very cute. And the dream catcher. Many nice thing, and in the middle, very good. Get this one. I think that one Damian have it about this. It's very cute. Nice. Look at this one. So many cute things. Look at this, a beautiful architecture building. So cute. I think that's very old one. You see, even the painting on the wall, design, so nice. So this one is basically the walking street situation. Right, so we were over there, and what I can see that really it's Monday. It's not as packed with people. It's gonna be sunset soon. It's actually now is 7 p.m. basically. So yeah, we will wait for our tram. So this is actually if you go straight, you will go to Starry Rinek, and so many brand building apartment basically in this area. So this one is ada beach village actually. In the Kościelna Street, behind me is the church basically. Yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Daily life in Poznan, Poland. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Let's go home.